Did you know that one verse in the Quran can change the way you manage your finances? It's incredible how timeless wisdom can guide us in modern money matters, encouraging fairness, patience, and mindful stewardship. Would you like me to share which verse it is and how it applies to financial management? The verse I'm talking about is from Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 282. It's actually the longest verse in the Quran, and it focuses on the importance of clarity and honesty in financial transactions, especially when it comes to lending money or entering into debt agreements. This verse teaches us to write down our agreements, involve trustworthy witnesses, and be transparent about terms to avoid misunderstandings or disputes later. In today's world, this means keeping clear records, communicating openly, and managing debts responsibly, practices that can help you avoid financial stress and build trust in all your dealings. Many people don't realize that financial principles aren't just modern concepts, they have been thoughtfully addressed in religious texts for centuries. The Quran, for example, offers profound guidance on how to handle money responsibly and ethically. In fact, just one powerful verse encapsulates key lessons on managing wealth with integrity and balance, showing that spirituality and smart finance can go hand in hand. That powerful verse is Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 282. It emphasizes the importance of honesty, transparency, and careful record-keeping in financial matters, especially when it comes to loans and debts. By encouraging people to document their agreements and involve trustworthy witnesses, it helps prevent confusion and disputes, which are common causes of financial stress today. Applying this verse's guidance means practicing clear communication, being accountable, and managing money with discipline, all essential for healthy financial habits. It's a reminder that managing your wealth isn't just about numbers, but about fairness and responsibility toward yourself and others. Today, many people struggle with financial challenges that can feel overwhelming. Debt often piles up faster than it can be paid off, leaving individuals trapped in a cycle of borrowing. Budgeting feels like a constant battle, income may be unpredictable, expenses unexpected, and savings seem out of reach. On top of that, the stress of financial instability weighs heavily on mental and emotional well-being, affecting relationships and overall quality of life. It's no surprise that so many seek guidance on how to manage money more wisely and find peace amid these pressures. Interestingly, some of the solutions to these common struggles can be found in age-old wisdom, including that single verse from the Quran. The Quranic verse that beautifully addresses financial matters is found in Surah Al-Baqarah 282, often called the longest verse in the Quran. It focuses on the importance of clear, honest, and responsible financial transactions, particularly when it comes to debt. The verse advises that when you lend money or enter into a financial agreement, you should write it down and have witnesses present to avoid misunderstandings or dispute. This guidance highlights transparency and accountability principles that remain crucial in modern finance. In today's context, this verse encourages us to keep detailed records, be clear about terms, and ensure fairness in all financial dealings. It discourages informal promises that can lead to conflict and financial stress, and instead promotes planning, communication, and trustworthiness. By applying this wisdom, we can protect ourselves from debt traps, avoid mismanagement, and build stronger and more secure financial foundations, reminding us that ethical behavior in finance isn't just about numbers, but about respect and responsibility towards others. The main insight from this Quranic verse is the emphasis on clarity, documentation, and accountability in financial dealings. It teaches that managing money wisely isn't just about how much you earn or spend, but about being transparent and responsibly, especially when it comes to borrowing and lending. Practically, this guidance helps achieve financial well-being by encouraging clear agreements. Writing down terms prevents misunderstandings and protects both parties. Promoting honesty and trust. Having witnesses and records ensures fairness and reduces the chance of disputes, reducing stress and conflict. Clear financial arrangements create peace of mind and stability, fostering discipline. Keeping track of debts and repayments helps avoid falling into cycles of uncontrolled borrowing. By adopting these principles, you create a strong foundation for managing your finances with integrity, reducing risks, and building healthier financial habits that can stand the test of time. It's a timeless reminder that financial well-being starts with responsibility and respect, both for yourself and others. I'd love to hear your thoughts, show. Do you think this Quranic wisdom could change the way you manage your finances? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. And if you're interested in learning more about the powerful connection between financial literacy and spirituality, don't forget to check out my other videos. Together, we can build not just wealth, but peace of mind and purpose too.